Settle down and go to town. Feel the bass and buckle down.
Hey guys, SBS here, and today I'm coming up with a Bundesliga transfer script, and I have a little surprise that is not a surprise. Something I don't know what to call it, but yeah, Bundesliga transfers. The first player is the goalkeeper, and he is not a transfer. That is René Adler, with 87 diving, 81 handling, 86 reflexes, 83 positioning. He is a really good player. If I have to be honest, he's my favorite goalkeeper in the game, and he is from my favorite club as well. So yeah, it's awesome. Just gonna take all these three here, and in the middle we have Jure, which have 75 pace, 63 passing, 76 defending, and 77 heading. He is a decent player. I don't really know what to think about it. It's just the pace is good for me. And then we have Felipe Santana, 81 pace, 77 defending, and 84 hitting. This guy is a guy you just always use in a Brazilian squad, or almost. Or that's what I do. He is fast, he have a good defending, and his heading is really. To the last center back we have Sokratis. I think they got him because Felipe Santana moved away, but yeah, 74 pace, 69 defending, and 81 hitting. I haven't tried this guy before, so I don't know what to say about him. We're just gonna see that. Oh. Okay, let's get to the center defensive mid. Here we have Luis Gustavo. He is not transferred, but I kinda needed some players anyway that is not transferred. But 75 pace, 76 passing, 76 dribbling, 83 defending, and 76 hitting. This guy is a really good player. In the game, if you had to look at it, it should probably be around 75 or something. He has a really good shot. So yeah. And then here we have Xavi Martinez. I don't know. Again, probably say them all wrong. But yeah, 76 passing, 83 defending, and 78 hitting. I haven't tried this guy before, but many people says that he is really good. So I kind of just want to try him. Okay. At the right mid, we have Maximilian Beister from the best club in the world. 87 pace, 75 or 74 dribbling, and that was basically it. Or 71 shooting. That's also. But this guy is really good. A lot of people use him in squads as well. And in the next game, FIFA 14, he's probably gonna be a center mid. So yeah. But he is. Oh, I have friends. But he is left-footed, so he can also cut inside, but it's not really the same because 3-5-2. But yeah. Right to my friend there. Yeah. Okay. But let's get to the left mid, which is Caligiuri. Yeah, he played for Freiburg before, and he came to Wolfsburg. So yeah, he have 83 pace, 73 shooting, 83 dribbling, and he have the 4-star skills. So yeah, it's just the 4-star skills. That's pretty good. Oh, my chair is so noisy. For fuck's sake. But he's also right-footed, so he can also cut inside if I get the chance there. So yeah. Okay, to the center attacking mid, we have Mario Götze, the transferred one. Expensive. I gave like 20k for him. I don't know if it dropped, but I'm definitely gonna lose money on him. But 82 pace, 71 shooting, 79 passing, 83 dribbling, 71 shooting. What the fuck? That should be a lot better. I don't understand it. He's really good at shooting in real life. But his Dortmund version was a really good card, so this card is probably gonna be really good as well, so yeah. But we are gonna have the transferred Heung-min Son. 79 pace, 71 shooting, 75 dribbling, and he moved away from the best club in the world, and I already miss him there. Oh, these two, him and Heung-min Son, they was just amazing. Okay, to the surprise. Surprise. I don't have the money for the Dortmund version, so we're just gonna use this guy. Yay! From Santiniana, I think I said that right. So yeah. 93 pace, 75 shooting, 71 passing, 79 dribbling, and 76 hitting. I have never tried this guy before, but I hope that he's good. Just gonna give him a fitness card because he was low on fitness then when I bought him, and he only have 6 chemistry, but that's... Well, let's try the team. So yeah, I lost the part here where it was live commentary, but I'm just gonna make this in not live commentary and look at the team we meet. That is a pretty good team. This game was simply really good. I get the first goal here with what is his name? Götze? Yeah. With a nice lob there, and then he get a chance with Falcao, but he misses, and Sanchez gets the rebound and scores. And this guy was just watching all the replays, so that was freaking annoying. And he scored again with Falcao there, but Aubameyang, I can't pronounce that name, he scores the surprise man thing, but I fail and pass it out to Sanchez, who scores again. That's really annoying. But I get a chance here with Aubameyang, but he hits the post, and that is one of the things I hate most in FIFA. But I get another chance with Aubameyang, which he also misses. That's really annoying. But I will score with him. Yay! But yeah, he gets another chance again with Falcao, and of course he's okay, that was Pedro, sorry. But yeah, he scores, and then he started being a cunt. So yeah, that was freaking annoying, and I had to go ultra attacking. But I got the ball later and misses with Xavi Martinez hitting the crossbar. But I decided to make a comeback in the 90th minute. 4-4. Yeah. But I'm not done yet. He shoots. He gets the rebound. And it's 5-4. And I win the game. That is just amazing. An amazing comeback 3-1 to 5-4. That's pretty good, in my opinion. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and I have noticed that it's only FIFA videos that... Oh, look, I won the title. Yay! It's only FIFA videos that I get views on, really, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna make anything else, because you probably won't watch it, so why do I even say this shit? But yeah, thank you for watching. Please... Oh yeah, I already said that. Okay, but yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have tried some of these players or anything. I know it's not really... It's only one league and its transfers is almost like the normal cards, because none of them is upgraded. But I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, bye.